Here's a C4 Corvette, just in 1991. This particular car is polo green metallic. One of the nicer colors in 91, I believe. It's a nice rich look to it with the saddle or tan color interior, leather interior in this one. This particular vehicle has spent its entire life in our area here. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated, a little over 70,000 miles on it. Called a nice driver quality vet. If you want to get into a vet that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, these C4 vets are a nice value, especially when you start to get into the early 90s. Still pretty popular for the C4s. Wheels good on this one, rubber good. Paint, again, for the, kind of the age of it, for this car's has a few years on it, but not a ton of miles. Paint is in nice shape. You'll have a little bit of stress kind of in the clear down here, if you can pick that up in the video. A little bit of stress in the clear there. But as far as chips or scratches, dings, not too bad. Again, considering the age and miles, I would say that this car is in quite nice shape. Figure what, 28 years old now? If you want to check out the still pictures so you can look at it, check it out up close, look at the undersides, look at the interior, please feel free to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you want to give us a call, have any questions on anything you see in those still pictures or anything you see in the video, feel free to call us. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Again, take a look up and down the side of it. You can see that the paint is a nice luster to it with the reflection there in the video, but not all full of nicks and scratches and dings up and down the side. Again, for age and miles, nice shape. There's no warning indicators on the dash, anything like that. Aftermarket stereo has been added, I did notice, along the line. I see the wheels are in very nice shape too, all the way around. It's something that stood out to me before when I was walking around the car. And again, those are all pictured separately in our still pictures. So take a look at them. You'll be able to look at them up close. Again, take a look up and down this side. Nice luster in the paint. Nice reflection on this side also. Of course, you're going to get a few of the little, just kind of little wear marks where that top meets up with the lid on the rear compartment. By the way, top is tan in color to match the interior. Is also in nice shape. Doesn't have any rips, holes, anything like that. Obviously, a little bit of age to it. Just it's the original top, but nice shape. It's going to keep you dry. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll see what I'm saying. Still in nice shape. By the way, this has the 350. Actually, been an L98 option in this year, which would be an LT1 5.7 liter 350 multi-port fuel injected engine, paired with the automatic transmission, as you can see there. Even a 4-speed transmission, automatic with an overdrive. See, interior is also in nice shape. Again, about what you'd expect, maybe a little nicer for the year and miles. Take a look at the seat. Again, not full of rips and tears. Yeah, it may show a little bit of wear and a little bit of age, but that's really it. Passenger seat, extremely nice shape. FYI, there is a cover in the storage compartment back here in the box that the radio came in. That'll all stay with the car. Let's go ahead and fire this up and check out the exact miles. All right, 73,191. I don't know if that shows up. There you go. I think you can see it, 73,191. Again, no warning indicators, just the door ajar light, because it's easier for me to video it standing next to it. There's the aftermarket stereo, climate control system, power seats both sides, cruise, power windows, power mirrors, locks. Nicely equipped car. Slip around to the back, nothing crazy for exhaust or anything like that put on it, no aftermarket. loud exhaust. Just what you'd expect for a stock Vet. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video here a second, pop this hood, check out what that engine bay looks like. Alright, you get an idea kind of what's left as far as tread on the front tires. There's that LT1 350 underneath the hood, tune port injection, steering, brakes, AC, all the goodies, but you can see how nice and tight it is. Nice clean engine bay. Again, these aren't driven in any inclement weather where we're from, because you can't get around in one of these. So they're stored in the winter, and I think that's what kind of contributes to the low miles out here. If you break down how many miles this car was driven each year, it doesn't come out to be a whole lot. Slip down to the other side so you can see it here. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccar.com. Of course, you can give us a call with any questions, 507-386-1726. See how smooth in here, how smooth that engine runs. There you have it, 1991 Chevrolet Corvette. Nice C-full polo green metallic. Give us a call. Look forward to hearing from you.